And cases of the Omicron variant are expected any day now in New York State after a Minnesota resident tested positive after traveling home from New York City.
Scientists still studying how this new version of coronavirus will impact the people it infects. But as News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan explains, the governor doesn't want people to panic.
On the day the governor introduces the state to its new health commissioner.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce Mary T. Bassett, the new commissioner of the Department of Health. Thank you.
The Omicron variant won't allow her to start slowly.
No confirmed cases in the state of New York. However, we are very cognizant of the fact that it is very likely soon that someone is going to test positive for this.
Especially now that a man who tested positive in Minnesota had just gotten home from a conference at the Javits Center in New York City. Everyone else who attended November 18th through 22nd is encouraged to get tested.
It's good news that this individual from Minnesota is only mildly ill and seems to have recovered. And the news that comes in continues to suggest that it is not more lethal than other variants that we've seen. But we all are waiting to learn more.
With Omicron on the way downstate, Delta is still surging upstate. 130 people are in the hospital, levels ticking toward last winter's record numbers.
And there is only one reason for this, and that is the decision by individuals not to get vaccinated. It is not that there's not a supply. It's not that people are not eligible. It's not that they don't know about it. It is a conscious decision not to be vaccinated.
The shot is why she doesn't think Omicron should give people flashbacks to the earliest days of the pandemic. In Syracuse, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.
But the governor also stressing people need to get those booster doses because they work, but she says very few are getting the extra shot.
Governor Hochul releasing an update today on the number of people in New York who have received their booster shots. When it comes to people 18 and over, 16% of everyone in our state fully vaccinated and have received a booster. When it comes to people specifically who are 65 and over, that number rises to 37%. The governor says efforts are underway to improve these numbers. There's an easy way to find out where you can get your COVID-19 vaccine or a booster shot. Just text your zip code to the number on your screen, 438-829, to find the site closest to you. And for resources on COVID testing, vaccine clinics, and case numbers, go to the COVID-19 section on the News Channel 9 app.